The sixth and final principle is organized as networks. The education problems we face are now so complex that no single one of us can solve them alone. We need to be coordinated, engage in collective action with teachers, administrators, researchers, and others, including students. This means we need to break down silos. We need to intentionally design collaborations. We call these intentionally designed collaborations networked improvement communities, or NICs for short. Each NIC is organized around a specific problem with a shared working theory of improvement. Each uses common measures and inquiry tools to learn. The NIC is deliberate about accumulating this practical knowledge and makes it quickly accessible to others for more testing. With many hearts and minds, lots of people working together on the same problem, we can accomplish much more than we've ever been able to accomplish before. Education is the quintessential large network. Millions of people doing similar work every day. Virtually any question that you or I could ask, chances are someone has already figured out something about it that could help us along the way. We just don't know who that person is and what they've learned. But we can, only if we organize ourselves in networked improvement communities, we might be able to get some traction on that problem. We have to push aside old norms about my research interest or the uniqueness of my classroom. It means breaking down the traditional research practice divide. We have to join together where everyone in the networked improvement community is an improver. We have to embrace a new mantra that we can accomplish together more than even the best of us can accomplish alone. In the community college NIC, faculty from diverse institutions agreed to common learning goals. They agreed to use common instructional materials and collect data in common for the learning of all. These faculty found working together helped them achieve what they cared about most, advancement for their students. Dramatically improving the learning and success of their students became something that they could see happening as a function of collective action. And after all, improvements in the lives of students is what gets the faculty in the community college network and all of us up every morning to come to work.